Introducing Cosmetics Promo Builder, the most versatile cosmetics mockup template for After Effects. View and import more than 75 real 3D mockups, including shampoo containers, tubes, jars, batchers, mascaras, flip-top bottles, simple plastic containers, droppers, sprays, and much more. Endless and user-friendly customization options for keyframes, colors, and styles. Here's how it works. Select the desired mockup, place your designs, choose animation, add background, and you're ready to go. Get your project faster and easier while still look unique. Cosmetics Promo Builder.